Welcome to our latest fix-in list, 24009 Preakness Drive in Damascus, Maryland. This home has 4 bedrooms upstairs, 3.5 bathrooms, fully finished walkout level basement, huge addition off of the back, and so much more. Let's go take a tour. Large addition with fresh updates, big deck with steps walking out to the backyard. The backyard is fenced, and overall a great space. This place turned out amazing. Let's take a tour around the inside. To the right of the foyer, we have a half bath. To the left of the foyer is the living room. Dining room. Let's check out that kitchen. Remember that huge addition I was talking about? It's just behind the camera. Let's go take a look. Great table space and wood fireplace. And here is the addition. Huge first floor family room with the side entrance. Gas fireplace. Check out the sunroom. New windows out here. And a great view of the backyard. Access the composite deck from the kitchen area and the sunroom. The main level turned out perfect. Let's go see if the upstairs did the same. As we reach the top, just in front is a full bathroom. To the left, we have 2 really good sized bedrooms. Tons and tons of natural light in all of these bedrooms and the master. This walk-in closet. And master bath. Let's head down to the basement and look at that transformation. You got to see this for yourself. Utilities, we have a gas furnace from 2014, a gas water tank from 2014 as well, 3rd full bathroom, and an office or 5th bedroom. Storage and laundry room, sump pump, washer and dryer, laundry sink, and good storage space. What did you think about Preakness Drive, 24009 here in Damascus? If you would like to schedule your own private tour, contact your agent or book a call with me directly, ChrisThompsonTeam.com. As always, if you have comments, questions, concerns, please drop them in the comments below.